Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together to this comprehensive guide on the outreach method, your key to achieving 1 to 2 sales every month without relying on luck or external factors. This video is your roadmap to success. So, without further ado, let's embark on this journey together. Our journey begins with the crucial step of selecting the perfect service to offer. Look for services with a price point of over $1,000, preferably up to $2,500 per month. These services should provide recurring value to your clients, be deliverable remotely, and offer a substantial return on investment. The world of service offerings is vast, and your potential to help businesses is limitless. Consider providing services such as email marketing, thumbnail design, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google Ads, conversion rate optimization, content creation, influencer marketing, and short-form content. You are only limited by your creativity. Success in the endeavor depends significantly on choosing the right niche. Not every business can afford top-dollar services. Be strategic in your selection process. Target niches with high revenue and profit margins. Avoid startups and one-person businesses. Aim for businesses making over $50,000 a month with a profit margin of 40% or higher. Now, let's delve into the heart of our journey. Step 4. The outreach method. This is where you will learn how to connect the potential clients or with potential clients and transform them into loyal customers. Crafting an effective outreach strategy is paramount. Begin by identifying your target audience and creating personalized, compelling messages. Showcase how your service can specifically address their pain points and needs. Don't limit yourself to a single outreach channel. Utilize a mix of methods such as email, LinkedIn, or even direct phone calls. Consistency and persistence are key. Remember to follow up with the prospects to increase your conversion rates. To win potential clients over, demonstrate the value you can bring to their business. Share case studies, success stories, or relevant statistics that showcase your expertise and the tangible benefits they will gain from your service. Anticipate objections and be prepared to address them effectively. Understand your clients' concerns and offer practical solutions. By showing your commitment to their success, you can often overcome hesitations and objections. Beyond step 4, scaling your success is the ultimate goal. As you secure clients and deliver exceptional results, consider expanding your services, team, or even exploring new niches. The sky's the limit. In this ever-evolving landscape, continuous learning is key. Stay updated on industry trends, refine your skills, and adapt your strategies to remain competitive and relevant. To conclude, the demand for services that help businesses attract more customers is immense. They are willing to invest in these services, making it a lucrative opportunity. With the outreach method, you have the tools to tap into this market successfully. There you have it, the comprehensive guide to the outreach method, an invaluable resource filled with essential steps and tips that will empower you to not just survive but thrive in the highly competitive landscape. The path to success is right at your fingertips. But it is important to understand that it requires unwavering dedication and a well-thought-out strategy. We are here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please don't hesitate to comment down below. Additionally, consider subscribing to our channel to stay updated with the latest insights, trends, and strategies in the ever-evolving world of businesses. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in our next video.